So currently this is what we're dealing with. This is my bedroom. It's not looking too bright. It's looking real hoarderish. Send help now. I don't know how I got here, but hopefully we can turn this room upside down and do some major changes. So trying to figure out where I want to start first, because I don't even know where I want to start. It could be very overwhelming. We're gonna get this done. We're going to declutter, organize, give this room a makeover. I feel like it's important to change your room up every so often. And I have like these dark colors. It's just not giving me the energy that I want. So I wanted to brighten up my room. I look at my room as if it's a sanctuary. I like it to be my relaxation place. I like it to be my calming place. You know, when you work all day or you just had a rough day, even when you don't feel good, you want to be able to come into your room and just relax, unwind, meditate, just chill. Like your room is just that spot. So when you come into your bedroom and it looks hectic and you're already going through things, that can really make your mind not be at peace because you already have a lot going on. And I find that when your house is cluttered, your car is cluttered, things are cluttered, it doesn't help your mental space. So today we are going to fix that. If you have something in your house that needs a little bit adjusting, why don't you just jump on the bandwagon with me and let's do what we need to do. We'll feel much better later. That's what we're gonna do. So if you're new to this video, subscribe so you can become a Simply. Like this video up, like it up. Make sure your bells are turned on so you never miss when we upload. And we're gonna jump right into this video. Some of these are clean or some of these are dirty. I don't know, but I'm gonna probably just do laundry with these just to be on the safe side. Wow, I can finally see my floor. We're getting somewhere. I can actually see my floor now. I definitely need to get a shampooer because this carpet is looking like it needs a whole new. You know what the problem is? I literally have too many clothes and not enough space. Are you gonna help me? At this point, I'm ready to just throw like a lot of my clothes out, and I don't want to do that. 90% of all this clutter is my clothes. I hate to say it, and I need to do something. I don't know how I let this get like this, but my son's crib, he literally doesn't sleep in it, and I definitely started to use it as storage, and I'm not proud of it, but he definitely will use it a few times, so I'm probably gonna get rid of that. So if you guys need a crib, just let me know. You see, I have 4 windows in my room, and the color I'm going for is gray and white or and yellow. So I found these cool curtains, panels or whatever from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they're gray and yellow. So that would be really cool to break it up. I didn't want to get all 4 like that. I wanted to keep the gray here, maybe 2 gray panels, and then 2 of the gray and the yellow. If I feel like it's too much, I'll probably go back to the store and get maybe some white or some sheer so it doesn't look too, you know, too much. So this is what happens when you have a toddler and he gets into your makeup and just ruins the baseboard. Here I am with the magic eraser in hopes that we can get this off. can help me? My bed. Get out my bed. Get out my bed. Get out my bed. Get out my bed. Notice that the sheets are a little bit off, but that's okay because nobody's really going to be paying attention to, you know. Might add, these sheets are super soft. I did learn about my thread count, so I did go up a notch. I stepped it up just a little something something so I can get a little more comfort when I'm sleeping. Dying for one of these goose down comforters. So fluffy, so soft. I'm never going to leave my bed. I'm going for the yellow, black, and gray or whatever theme. I don't have any black pillowcases, so I ordered these bad boys from Amazon in, what is this, velvet? These are really cute. Unfortunately, I don't think I have these size pillows. These are like, I guess, duvet pillowcase covers. So I'm going to probably have to go to the store and pick up some of these size pillows. And I'm also going to have to pick up some king size pillows. Yeah, don't ask me why I have a king size bed and I have standard size pillows, but we're gonna get there. All right, so I'm running into a little bit of a struggle. I have these on the wall, as you guys can see, and I also have like the sticker wall decors, but I have a lot of like spots from nails and like sticker things that I had previously, and it kind of like ripped the painting off. So what I'm trying to do is cover it up with these sayings. I have them already up here, but I want to put it up here too, and I just don't want it to clash. Probably gonna have to go to the store and get some paint.